feeling low, lost in the dark, and all hope seems to be falling apart. Just remember there's a spark inside of you, a fire burning bright, waiting to break through. Yeah. Rise up, illuminate, let your spirit soar. You're a shooting star, forever so much more. Don't you let the world dim your glowing light. Let an inspiration ignite your inner fire.
So I have two exams today and we have to go first to Katosk and then to the university which is in Tambov. So we are going to travel a lot today. So currently it's I guess 6:40 or something and I'm all showered and everything. I just need to have my breakfast and then I'm going to study because I have to leave the hostel by 9:15 so that I could reach for my exam in Kotosk on time. So now what I'm going to do is just have a quick breakfast and then do some self studying for a while. So I'm not going to sit in my room or at least on my study table because you can see that the whole room is lit and this is the place where I study, and I know that the sun is going to be in my face if I sit to study on the study table. So let's see what we are going to do, but first let me have some breakfast and also call my mom.
So first I did sit in my room on my bed to study, but it is not very comfortable to sit in a bed to study because I have the habit of sitting on a study table. So I asked my friend if I could sit in his room because his room is on the other side and the sun doesn't come in his room until the middle of the day. So I went and sat in his room and studied for 1 more hour.
So I'm finally ready to leave for the truth, and now we are just going to take a cab to the bus stop and then another bus to Kotosk. So let's leave. नाही घेणार एक्झाम. नाही दिली तर नाही.
After getting into the bus, we sat ourselves down, and after enjoying with my friends and cracking a few jokes, I got to studying because I know that it was going to be a long, long ride.
So we are finally back in Tambov and I have come in the university because I really don't have anywhere else to go. So now I'm just going to rest in the university for a while and also study a little bit, and then let's see what the teacher does because the first exam we didn't really have to study anything because we had already gotten the automatic credit. So we are done with that. We just had to take the sign of the teacher and just show our faces. So now let's see what we have to do next because I guess for the next paper also we don't have a lot of things to do. So let's take a little bit of rest and then I'll see you guys. So we rested for a while in the garden after getting bored in the university. After coming in the garden, I bought myself some ice cream and had a little bit of fun. I talked with my friends. We talked about everything and anything. And now it's time for us to get back into the university so that we can give our exam. And So we are just going to go back to the university, get ourselves changed into the white coat, give the exam, and then go back home. So let's go. So I finally reached the hostel. I'm just sitting outside the hostel because I'm quite literally very tired of roaming in the sun all day because of the heat and everything. And while coming, I also collected my parcel, which is a fan, because it gets quite hot in the room and everything. So that is why I bought a mini fan for myself, which I'll show you in a bit. And the exam was quite good. We didn't have a lot of things to do. Even in this exam, we just had to submit a few documents and our assignments, and we were done with it. So that's all very nice. I am quite happy that I'm finally done with all of my credit exams, and then I start my actual exams for this semester on the 4th of June. Then I'll be finally ending my 5th year. So now let's just go inside, get freshened up, and then I'll show you my mini fan. So this is the parcel that I have received. So let's open it up first, and then I'll show you what is in it. So this is the fan. I can also pour in water from here, and so let's see how it works. It also works on a battery and on charge. So let's see. So there's this sensor button on this, and it works quite great. You can see this, and I can also pour in water. So let's see how it works once we pour in water. The sensor over here is quite sensitive, so just a small touch also switches the fan on. So let's put some water. So I'm not pouring a lot of water right now, just to check. So it also has light, which changes continuously. You can see it. now let's check the spray function. I think you can see the spray a little bit, and finally some nice air after the whole day of roaming out in the sun. So now I'm just going to stay in this cold air and rest for a while, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have fun, enjoy your life, and I'll see you in the next week. And also don't forget to inspire. So bye bye, and I'll see you in the next week.